You like Sami Zayn?
Nah.
Me either. Here at the WWE store on Melrose, and I'm going to send Sami Zayn a message.
Yeah, man. Show.
Hi, welcome.
Hi, you have any Sami Zayn stuff?
Right over there.
Oh, I really hate this guy. I really just don't like this guy. Ah, look at him. Shirt. Look, oh, God. Loser. Ma'am, do you have any other Sami Zayn merchandise?
We have a couple. It doesn't sell really well. They're in the back. I'll
Yeah,
be right back.
he's a minor character. I wouldn't expect him to sell very well. Here, for damages.
Thank you.
This is what we have.
Oh, see? See? This is a copyright infringement. Sami Zayn Forever. It's a knockoff on Jackass Forever. He's really done it. He has really done it. How does Sami Zayn like it now? Ha ha! He's going down. Sami Zayn's going down. It's not over. It's not over. Yeah, screw him.